All right, let's take a look at the rooms at Playa Vista Azul, just outside Varadero, Cuba. We're going to start with the standard pool view room. This one's in building 3. Immediately inside the door to the left is your bathroom with your classic rain head shower. Towel racks right in there. Single sink vanity in the standard rooms. The toilet right beside. Get used to square toilets in Cuba. Right across the way is your closet with your safe, your extra blankets, pillows, little dresser, and of course, a place to hang up your clothes and the ironing board. Luggage rack right beside that. Beautiful bed. Nightstands on both sides, a little sitting area here with a mirror above it. These are a pool view rooms, so we'll go out and have a look at the balcony. And this is building 3 overlooking the main pool. All right, let's take a look at the corner suite in the premium building with the jacuzzi tub out on the balcony. So there's actually 2 entrance doors. This is the main entrance door, and right inside is the second bathroom. Yes, there's 2 bathrooms in this suite. 1 toilet, 1 sink in there. Right around the corner, you're in the living room area. You have your wet bar sink. And of course, your bar fridge inside the room with some Cuban cola, some beer, and some water as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that little bell so you get notified when we share our new videos. This is the living room. Nice big screen TV in there, as well as a patio door out to the balcony. Halfway in is the little sitting room area. Sorry for the mess. This is right near the end of the trip. Got some nice art on the walls in here, as well as a mirror, a storage space. This is the second entryway into the room with another sink, wet bar area. No fridge under there though. Sliding doors all the way along. There's also separate thermostats in each part of the room. And here's the main bedroom area. Nice flower made by housekeeping on the bed. What I love about this room is the art is backlit. So if you want a softer light, you've got that. Tray ceilings as well. Nice desk area to do some work at with a mirror there. Big screen TV inside the bedroom too. And a ginormous walk-in closet. Safe is in here. A sliding door to separate the 2 as well. Shoe rack. Lots of space for dresses, shirts, extra pillows. Extra blankets are in there. This was my wife's area this trip. Full-length mirror to check yourself out before you go out for dinner. And then we'll go out onto the balcony via the living room here. Just got to turn the lights on out there first. So as we get the door open here, nice and secure, of course. You can see our view was overlooking the premium pool. Sitting area on each and every balcony. By the way, I didn't show you the bathroom. It's the same as the premium room that's in one of our other videos. Go have a look there. That wasn't a corner balcony suite though. Right around the corner here is the jacuzzi tub, and yes, it works. We filled it up a couple of times. Nice hot water. The jets feel fantastic. All you got to do is put the plug in, turn on that tap up on the right-hand side, and you get water. Nice big balcony here, like I said, 2 patio doors opening out to it, and the jacuzzi on the corner. Now we're gonna go to the Oceanfront Playa Suite. These things are huge. You walk in, there is windows everywhere, natural light everywhere, a dining room area right away with an espresso coffee maker, an extra bathroom. This is another one with a second bathroom right inside the door. Microwave, sink, bar fridge, as well as the living room sitting area with the big screen TV. Patio doors there to get out to the massive balcony that we'll show you in just a minute. Again, don't forget to subscribe, like our videos, comment, questions. We'll take it all. Into the huge bathroom with the separated vanity, mirror on each side, sink on each side, and then this huge jacuzzi tub inside the bathroom area. Love the tile insets. And another massive shower. This one's got a special rain shower head to it. There it is. And what's really cool about this is it's got a little touch of the outside while you're showering too. There's a sink on the other side with the hair dryer. Into the bedroom with the massive king-size bed, or bigger than king-size. It's got a big screen TV. And then we'll take you out to the balcony so you can see the view from the Playa Suite. Lay-down chairs on the balcony. They have sitting chairs on the balcony. Very, very comfortable. Wraps around the outside, and you get to wake up to this every morning. Okay, quick look back inside. Forgot to show you the walk-in here. So you can get into the bedroom, into or out of the bedroom on 2 sides of the TVs. See the little vanity there for doing makeup. Big, big bed. Beautiful duvet that they provide for you. And then into the walk-in closet. Similar to the premium room. It's got the little dresser there. It's got the luggage stand, the shoe rack. Lots of space to hang up everything. Don't forget, subscribe, comment, ask questions. We're happy to answer.